Imagine having hiccups that last for years. Sounds impossible, right? Yet, there are documented cases of people suffering from chronic hiccups for decades. Take the story of Charles Osborne, who hiccuped continuously for 68 years. His condition began in 1922 after a fall, and despite numerous attempts to find relief, he hiccuped an estimated 20 times a minute. Then there's the case of a man named Dion D., who experienced hiccups for over 5 years. His journey included countless doctor visits and even a stint in the hospital, all in search of a cure. These long-lasting hiccups can be caused by various factors, including nerve damage, gastrointestinal issues, or even psychological triggers.